Hey everyone, this is Bob with Bob CNC and welcome to our troubleshooting series. So today we're going to be looking at the evolution series. This is actually the 3, but this principle is also will apply to the evolution 4 and also the extension. So we're going to talk about X belt routing. So the X belt on the X1 side and the X2 side are exactly the same. However, it's important that the belt retainer that's in the back side on the controller side is in the lower slot, while in the front side, when you have the belt adjuster that has the mechanism to tighten the belt, it's in the upper slot. So you can see here, if I start from the front of the machine, the belt starts out high, it goes through the pulley and the idler, and then it comes out low, but they're basically parallel to the system or to the rails. So if they're not connected this way, you'll definitely want to fix it so that you'll get the results that you want. So that's all I have for today. Check out our other videos.